Zell. Ay, pink is the color of the day.
Yung kuya kasi nga it's too crowded daw sabi niya. Siya na
Hello.
I miss the
Ang fresh naman.
Pili talaga una. So thoughtful naman.
Ini mga maniya. Zel.
Thank you.
Anyan, turon, banana chips, and...
Dideclare nyo na?
Dineclare ko lang, and then pinaamoy lang sa aso. Hindi pinakayo kami. Parang kuhan niya, side hustle niya.
With the queen herself.
Kita nyo ba guys?
Hindi pala siya posporo.
Posporo.
Ano pala siya? Match.
It's a match. Ready ka na ba? Uy, tama na ng kakachismis. Mag-blow na tayo ng candle.
Nagalit si Mayora.
Kakanta pa tayo? Kakanta pa. Sasayaw ka daw, stand up.
Ti, wala nang apoy ay. Ti.
Magmula lang.
Wish ka mo. Ano na, just joke.
Ay, sa laksa. Hanggang ano na yan.
Ginawa niya. Ginawa na.
Spaghetti Queenie Challenge accepted. Na-miss ko yung yung
Init ng dark.
ganitong ganap sa Darwin. Yung very spontaneous lang.
Mga ganyan, relaxation. Parang iba na.
Hello! So we are in a Yeti shop. Gusto kong yung straw ba? Gusto kong bumili ng not the entire thing. Just the lid and the straw. Kasi may cup na ako dun eh. Medium no? Parang ganito kalaki yung
Not
ko.
large and not small.
No, but may ganito na ako. I just need a straw. King. You see this? The lid is circle, but may straw na ganyan. No? Look at this color. It's giving Yeti 17 Pro Max. Orange. My libre from Ate Queenie. Ano bang kulay ng Yeti mo, te?
Yung lagyan ko, green.
Ah, green.
It will match naman.
No, whatever you like.
First gift ko first. Yeti ko from Noela.
Okay, I'll pick this one. Happy yung birthday! And we are home, you guys. It was a very fun catch up with our friends from Darwin. It is now 12:37. Happy birthday to Zell! And we ended up having a look as well sa shop. I think it's a Fishing World shop in the city. And then they do have Yetis as well. So we had a look kung ano yung mga pwedeng tingnan doon. And as I mentioned earlier, I was like really looking for a lead nito. So yung lead ko kasi at the moment is yung magnetic, yung pag ganito. I'm looking for something yung pang straw, so yung pabilog yung dito, tas nilalagyan ng straw. Thanks to Ate Queenie kasi binigyan niya ako ng another sliders. Kasi napapalitan siya, magnetic kasi siya. So let's do it now. Let's replace the sliders. I think you'll just have to quickly slide it out. Sana tama yung size kasi may small, medium at saka large. So let's see. Ay! Perfect! It's a match, look.
Yeah, because you have the medium one.
And, lagyan na natin siya dito. Cutie! Ayan. So this one, I'm gonna keep this until next time. Ano siya? It's giving pastel collection. Look at that. Pink Yeti, and then this one from Sandy Studios that I got from Philippines. At this point, I just felt like it's just so hot outside to go out just to grab a coffee. So, we're making our own iced coffee dito sa bahay. Lactose-free milk. Let me just open this one. Ay! Benatanggan ano, but hindi na open. Then, let's just pour this in. Ooh. Ikaw na lang mag-budget. Gano'ng kadami yung milk. Yung coffee ko nga pala, dala pa namin to from the Philippines. At saka, this Moccona Espresso, minix ko na lang siya para at least malasahan ko pa ng very light yung kape. Kasi alam mo naman sa Pilipinas, di ba, yung mga kape natin, sometimes it's just way too sweet and nawala na yung pait ng kape. And I'm the kind of person that I really like the pait part ng kape. Let's add more ice. Minsan naman, kapag sobrang pait naman siya, kapag sobrang pait naman, I basically parang add a little bit of water just to parang mabalanse lang yung pait at saka yung milk. It's that time to actually try our iced coffee. Lagay ko muna yung lid with a brand new slider from Ate Queenie. Wait lang, let me just show you again. So this is the one na bigay ni Ate Queenie and then pinalitan ko lang ng slider. Sana pala pinalitan ko na din yung lid mismo kasi medyo na siya. May mga marka na siya ng nagamit na talaga para magmukha siyang bago, di ba? It's giving kape. Good morning, you guys. This is the following day. The weather is perfect. Anyways, nag-workout lang kami. I did a good cardio session just to recover mobility, getting ready for next week's training, and we are now heading to the markets. Kasi Go is looking for a soup, and we know that Nightcliff Market happened to have the best Vietnamese parang food truck. So that's what we're after today. As I've mentioned, we're here in the market because Sherwin is craving for that Vietnamese pho, and I'm also craving for that Vietnamese lumpia. So that's why we're here. But we are in a green cafe. So ang daming halaman dito. Yan. So literal talaga siya na green cafe. So I'm getting a matcha and I'm gonna pair it with a toasty as well. So yes, yummers! Kain tayo! My lumpia is here, you guys. There you go. This is what I call this game? A Vietnamese spring roll. Wait, let me just... Alright, so we have fasted 16 hours and 18 minutes. Gonna break the fast. Cheers! The filling is filling. Ito yung mga lumpia na unang kagat, hindi wrapper lahat. See? And how much is this?
3 for 550.
3 for 550. Divide by 3. 69 pesos each. Okay. Ayoko na mag-bash. Mahal pala siya. Ay! My toasty is here, you guys. It's a full-on plate. Kasi nilipat ko lang yung lumpia. Cheers. Oh my god, it's so cute, you guys. Hey guys, actually kakauwi ko lang. And one thing that I've noticed, like sobrang ganda ng weather today. You see that? Hindi masyadong mainit. I don't know if naririnig nyo din, pero may konting breeze ng hangin. Yung mga ganon. And usually in the past few days, medyo maulan, medyo mainit. So I was expecting the same. But ngayon, parang, hello, okay ka ba? I know guys, nakakauwi lang namin ng Pilipinas not long ago. But when on Wednesday, nag-grocery kami, I saw this. I mean, alam ko naman na may skyflakes talaga sa Kohl's. Nasa lower part ng mga Asian products, sa Asian aisle. Pero namamahalan ako, probably because of the packaging. Medyo mahal siya, medyo pricey siya. But on Wednesday, I thought of like, I need to have one. Like, gusto kong kumain ng skyflakes ulit. And then, ito pala yung napansin ko, maliban sa packaging na ganito, individually packed siya sa loob and it looks like this. So, hindi siya yung ordinary transparent skyflakes packaging sa Pilipinas. Pag ganito po siya, very abroad level. So, that's probably why. From this packaging and this packaging, that explains why pricey siya dito. So, mainly sa bahay na ako. I'm just waiting for Sherwin to finish his shift. This week, hanggang 6 p.m. yung shift niya. So, once he's home, we're probably gonna head out for dinner because it's Friday and we always eat out when it's Friday. And hopefully, if I still have the energy and I still have the time, gusto ko sanang i-spray over yung car ko. Kasi if you've seen my previous vlog, my current dilemma talaga ako where we usually park. Kasi laging natatamaan ng dumi yung car ko talaga. And I just cannot. I cannot really tolerate it. And I know na it's not good for sa paint ng car daw. So it's better na to rinse it off or remove it as soon as possible. So hopefully I got time and energy tonight to do that. Otherwise, it can wait until tomorrow. So parang yun na yun. Yun yung dilemma. Yun yung drama at the moment. So this is actually a very long overdue na plan that I've been canceling many times. And it just so happened that we were in Berrima for a brunch and there's a huge JB Hi-Fi right across the corner. So we thought of coming in and see. And then finally, I got myself a replacement for my AirPods case. Ever since I got this AirPods Pro 2, this is the only at nag-iisang case that I got for it. This is from the brand Signet and it does the job. It's very durable, it's very makapal and bulky. And that's what I've said, for 2 years, I never had problems with it. It's just recently, dahil bulky siya, it leaves my lid open or slightly open. Ang ending, hindi na charge yung mga buds, which it becomes a problem for me. Yung initial solution ko is like, I take this off, itong pinaka case dito sa taas, and then leave the AirPods charging. And then, umabot na sa point na nakakairita na siya. Natatanggalin ko to all the time just to make sure na nata-charge yung buds ko inside. So, that's why nabumili na ako ng bagong case. So, first step is tanggalin siya. Actually, can you see it? Ay, ayan. Kasi like, I have to like push it really, really hard para maalis lang siya sa yung case. Now, let's going to unbox these. Go. Ta-da! Actually, nothing really special about this. It's just kulay purple. Kulay ube. There you go. Tama ba? Ayan. Ay, okay, wait lang. I just realized this. So, walang butas yung pairing button sa likod. Like, okay. And then, this one goes here. Perfect. I know na ang daming options sa online like Temu or sa Pilipinas may mga Shopee, Lazada, ganon. Pero gusto ko kasing when I shop for something, gusto ko kasi siyang makita. Like, I wanna have it like on the day na binili ko siya. Hindi yung bayad na pero isi-ship pa lang siya. Alam mo yung ganon? It's not for me. Guys, you know what's hitting me now? Parang the weekend just went so quick. Like, literally like, ganon. Ganon siya kabilis and it's gone. If I remember right, Friday we just had a dinner. And then nung Saturday, we took it as like a physical, literal day off. Like, nagpahinga lang kami. And then on Sunday, we went out for a coffee in the morning. Nag-gym ako. I had a good cardio session. We had a dinner. And then now, kinagabihan, things are just sinking in na kinabukasan. It's a Monday. Lunes na naman. Brand new work week na naman. Parang, oh my, ang bilis. Be, hindi ko pa na-enjoy yung weekend ko, be. Tapos na siya. Today, I felt so productive. Kasi apart sa nag-gym, apart sa umalis kami, we did enjoy all morning. Na-edit ko na yung vlog, be. Nag-edit ako ng vlog. Taray! Pero even if like, you know, na-edit ko na yung vlog, i-upload ko na lang. Pero behind pa rin talaga ako sa pag-upload ko, be. Like, at the moment, sa YouTube ha, I am 4-5 videos behind. Like, literally, nasa Pilipinas pa. Philippine trip pa yung vlog ko doon. Pero andito na ako. 2 weeks na ako dito sa Australia, oh. Pero hindi ko pa siya ma-upload yung Philippine trip ko sa YouTube. Kasi I'm trying to upload it on a weekly basis. So, I'm down to 3 pala. May 3 pa akong vlog from the Philippines na i-upload ko pa sa YouTube. So, na-upload ko na yung isa kahapon. Yung iba in the next 3 weeks pa siya. So, mga January pa po tayo makaka-uwi ng Australia sa YouTube ko po. I just finished work and to my surprise, hindi siya umulan. Like kanina, I was expecting na it's gonna rain today kasi medyo dark and gloomy kaninang umaga. But then midday, medyo nag-hello si sunshine. And then now it's back to gray and cloudy again. Well, last night umulan. So maybe, probably today is going to be the same. Yung hindi siya uulan, medyo ano lang siya, parang moody siya during the day pero uulan siya tonight. Hopefully. See, medyo it's not giving rain. It's giving gloomy lang. It's giving sadness. Ganun na ba? You know what? I was expecting for this mail to arrive this month. And finally, it's here.